Hey guys, Lance, the option teacher here. On the SRX levels for today on December 12th, I did 3 trades. They were all winners. I actually had 12 wins in a row. On trade 1, I took in 2 contracts at 1.05, sold at 1.33. This is the reason why I took it. So I was looking at the break and retest. Pretty much all the trades today were break and retest. You could see how we touched the S1 level. We retested right here. So we broke down, retested it with this wick here. And then I bought puts and it dropped. I did an alert at this S1 level as well. So once I entered here, I was okay to hold until it got to that S1 level again. If it did, that would have been a stop out. However, it dropped right away. I closed very close to the S2 touch, and that's the profit on the first trade. For trade 2, took 3 contracts, 1.39, sold 2 at 1.56, and then I had a stop order in at 1.45 that happened to stop out on it, but I was going to wait to see if it was going to be a runner or not. And these were calls. Trade 2. Break and retest again. Went under the S4, touched it, broke above it. I got in 3 calls at 665, 1.39. Went even higher, closed 2 out at 1.56, and then a runner stop, the stop loss having a 1.45. And that was the down candle that we saw later. Trade 3 was best one of the day. Bought at 1.1, bought 3 at 1.1, sold 2 at 1.24. This last contract I sold at 1.55. Really good trade on that runner. So we got it here. Got in at 3 contracts, 1.05. Break, retest. So it broke above the PDL. I actually did it based on the max range low here. Broke above the max range low, retested at the max range low here, got in 1.05. I closed 2 at 1.24. Let's see what candle that was, or what time. Literally 30 seconds later. So I was in the same candle during that. I closed in the same candle, 1.24. And then I was moving my stop loss. I was leaving the runner to go as low as it might get. And it was at 1.4 or so. I moved my stop to around 1.2. As it kept dropping, I increased the stop order, and then eventually I stopped at the 1.55. So that was a really good trade using the runner to try to get extra profit from the 1.24. If I closed all 3 at 1.24, it's okay. But with that stop at 1.55, made the trade an even bigger winner. Let me show on trades for the week here. So this week had a really good run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 winners in a row. The last 3 was 26.6%, 9.3%, 12.8%. So doing really well with the SRX levels. If you're interested in using them, click the link in the description down below or in the pinned comments. Everyone have a good rest of the weekend, and I'll see you guys on the next video.